Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Foodies at Home. Today we're making roasted lamb chops with a Pilaf style vegetable rice and garlic spinach. Please give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For the marinade, we want to start by roughly chopping 1 onion, one red bell pepper, six to 8 green chillies, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, and fresh coriander. You'll also need some lime or lemon, add everything to your food processor. Season with salt, pepper, coriander and cumin powder, gharam masala, dried rosemary, and thyme. A fresh lime or lemon juice, and some olive oil. Give this a blitz till you're left with something that looks like this. Add this mixture to your lamb chops. Massage in well. Cover in cling film and let this marinate for 4 hours, ideally overnight. Add the marinated lamb chops to a foil tray, which is safe for the oven. In the container that the chops were marinating, add some water and some soy sauce, and add this in with your lamb chops. This will help keep the lamb chops moist and create an excellent dipping sauce. Cover these up in foil and add to a preheated oven, which is at 200 degrees Celsius. Leave these in for about an hour and a half. Now for the rice. First we want to finely chop up an onion, peel and chop up a carrot into 1 centimeter pieces, and you want to do the same again with 1 potato. Half a yellow and half a red bell pepper, a handful of green beans, finally chop up a couple of spring onions, a fresh tomato, and some coriander. In a pan, heat up some olive oil. To this, add some cumin seeds, Once they've toasted, add your chopped onions, your carrots and potatoes, season with salt and pepper. Once these have softened slightly, add your ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, and let this cook down for a couple of minutes. Once this starts becoming fragrant, add in your bell pepper and green beans. Season again and let this cook down for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your chopped tomatoes, turmeric, cumin powder, salt, pepper, chili powder, and cook this down until you can smell the spices. Add double the amount of water to rice you're going to use to the pot. Give this a mix and add in your rice. Once this is simmering, add in your chopped spring onions and your coriander. Cover it up and let it cook on a medium to low heat. This should take around 15 or 20 minutes. While the rice is cooking, we can move on to our garlic spinach. First, we want to chop up a few cloves of garlic. Add some butter to a frying pan. To this, add your garlic. Once it's toasted, add in your spinach. Season with salt and pepper and add in some lime juice. Let the spinach wilt down. And it's done. When your rice is looking like this and it's soft and fluffy, all the grains have separated, it's done. After an hour and a half, take out your lamb chops to check if they're done. And we're ready to plate up. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.